I'm currently in a Honda HRV, and as you can see on the dash over here, it's currently got the Check Tyre Pressure Warning lights on in it. This is the indirect type system, meaning it doesn't have a sensor in each one of the wheels. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset that now. So to recalibrate this and reset it, you need to go to the steering wheel on this particular model. If you've got the actual button that you can press and hold with the tire pressure warning symbol like this on it, you would push and hold that. In this case we don't, so we're going to be using these buttons at the side of the steering wheel. You toggle until you get to that one and you press the enter button. You use the up or down arrows and you go through. And deflation warning system, we're going to select that. We're going to toggle up, initialize, and that should be completed. We're going to turn the key off, start it back up again. And as you can see, all the warnings has now been reset. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.